Alright, so I'm giving y'all the first thing. During this video, you're going to see me drop a washer on my foot and break my foot, or fracture it, one of the two. Instead of relaxing, I kept working, went home, had my wife help me take my shoe off, and I knew because of the compression it wouldn't be swollen or really badly hurting. Well, not thinking, I left it off and it became severe, swollen, everything. Instead of going to the doctor, I put my shoe back on, or fought to put my shoe back on. Waited until all the swelling went down from the compression of the shoe, and then went back to work. And then the following day, got up, went to the scrapyard. Well, and this video is supposed to have gone out a few days ago, but I decided I was gonna come home, and then my kids were like, "Oh, yes, go throw the football." Well, if you look at my legs, this leg, you can see the curve of my calf defined and everything. This one, I can't do that. It's like all swollen and weird. Well, out there with a broken foot throwing a football, went favoring one side of the foot than the other, and I guess I put too much strain on my calf and ripped it. So it felt like I got punched in the back of the leg immediately. I stopped, reached down, couldn't find nothing. Went to walk and couldn't walk. Couldn't step on it, nothing. I mean, it's been about 3 days now. I'm able to move around, stand up. The pain's still severe. But I just want to give you all a heads up why there hasn't been a video in the last few days. I'm probably going to be doing some breakdown videos until the leg fully heals, because I'm not going to be able to jump in and out of the truck non-stop. But yeah, if y'all have any other questions or anything, hit me up in the comments. Let's get to this video. All right, onwards. Pick up a refrigerator. How you doing? Good. Whoa.
This is it.
All right.
I'm Kelly.
Jacob, how you doing?
Good. It rolls.
It's all right.
Okay.
I'll get it up on here and get it in the trailer pretty quick. Ooh, you're in heavy one, ain't you?
You're gonna push it from this side?
It's completely empty, correct?
Yes.
Okay.
I mean, it's got like the drawers and the...
Yeah, that's fine.
But yeah.
As long as there ain't no food. Heck, okay. Alright.
This plastic piece is annoying.
This one got some weight on it.
Are you able to take fluorescent lights too?
How many do you have?
These two.
Yeah, I could take those.
If not, I mean, I know where the dump is. I can go do that. We came home from our Christmas vacation and it just stopped.
Yeah, that always sucks when that happens. Alright, in the truck, no. Alright. Oh. So, I picked the refrigerator up from someone that called me. Charged $25 just because it was a little further out than I normally like to go. I'll just put that in gas. Yep. And I'm out. That works earlier than I normally do because of that. Well, I have to definitely rearrange everything. Wasn't expecting to start scrapping already. So I went ahead and started emptying out parts of the truck, the blue truck too. Put this in here for now. Ended up with 48 pounds of copper. Took that in, made right about 200 bucks on it. Then I got probably 60-ish pounds of wire, but I didn't turn those in. And all that weight came from this one little spot right here. That's it. Onwards. Whoa. Gotta make the best out of everything. Whoa. Before I get too far on piling stuff, I gotta stand all that up and move that brick onwards. I need to replace those catalytic converters so they stop clicking all the time. Usually don't check these because they usually don't have it, but why would he put it on the ground? There we go. Yes. Oh, and then I charged her $5 each for the fluorescent bulbs. Onward. So after getting this truck running and everything, just driving down the street, the RPMs fell down to nothing. It didn't shut off, so that's at least that, but I gotta figure that out before it's too late. Usually that's an indication of a crankshaft position sensor going bad. But one of the things I replaced to get the truck running was that. Now that doesn't mean That doesn't mean that it's not bad just because I replaced it. We figured that out with the fuel pump and the camshaft, or the fuel pump module. All of those replaced, and heck, one of them, right when I opened it, was bad. Opened it, put it in, still red, as if it wasn't getting what it needed. And sure enough, that was the problem. So. The only thing that bites is you got to take off the bottom half of the engine to replace it. Course, it would fall. Oh no. Why are you not going up? What the heck was that? I have never. Oh my goodness. That would explain. I thought it was stuck. Nope. Oh man. Damn thing's just heavy. Just do that again. Oh. Okay. Why? I don't even see weights in it. There's no water in it. Why? And then the other thing, I think when I just dropped it a second ago and it landed on my foot, I think I broke my foot. Not sure. I gotta wait till the adrenaline goes down. That would really suck to start the year off with broken foot, but why the heck is this thing so heavy? Like, I'm not even joking, this thing is extraordinarily heavy. Oh, right there, dude. Whole entire center block. Gosh. But that motor looks like real copper right there. So I may pull that out. Alright. Sucks. I hope I didn't, but telling you how bad it's hurting right now. I'm pretty sure something is either broke or cracked. Whew. Never had one have that issue where even when it's heavy, couldn't get the leverage to lean it up. Whew. I'll let y'all know in the next few stops onwards. Alright, so it's been about 15 minutes driving around trying to find something. The foot is intensely throbbing. That's the first time I walked on it. No pain while walking. I mean, the aching's still there, but no extra pain. So hopefully it's just bruised. I'm reckoning that one washer is probably about 300 pounds. did let my wife know that she'll have to help me get this off to examine it, because I'll ignore it. So I told her ahead of time just to make sure I don't ignore it. Onwards. Oh. Yeah, more time goes by, the less I think I broke it. Maybe just sprained it, bruised it or something. So definitely is aluminum. Metal, yeah. Onwards. Oh, this neighborhood used to be tonight's trash night, but I guess it changed. That big blue formula. No motor, but I'll definitely take the fan blades. That metal. Oh, there's a nice book bag in there too. Why not? Those should count as fan blades or aluminum fan blades, even though I didn't get the actual motor with it. Alright, let's go. Onwards. Alright, so it's been like 4 hours since I stopped earlier. I definitely did break my foot. It swole so severely, and it maybe not fully broke, maybe sprained or fractured it. I mean, but it's there. Went home, took my shoe off, had my wife help me, because like I said, I was gonna go home immediately and check that out. Took the shoe off and there was no swelling. I mean, these are new shoes, they're pretty tight, because I wanted them to be tight, and there was no real swelling, but when I took it off, it started having a sharp pain. So I told her, I was like, let's just leave it off for a minute. We'll put it on a little bit, which was a bad mistake, because when the swelling starts with a fracture is when you start getting throbbing, aching pain, and that's what happened. And then it swelled up to about the size of my fist on top of my foot. So I went and got my wrapped it up, which was excruciating, but I wrapped it super hard. About an hour later, the swelling was pressed away. It didn't go away, but it pressed away. As soon as the swelling was gone, the pain stopped. I put on my shoes, waited 2 more hours, because the pain, there was still sharp stabbing pain here and there, and now it still aches a little, but with the compression of the shoe and the sock, it's keeping me from having excruciating pain right now. But yeah, I'm 100% sure it's fractured, or it ain't broke, but at least fractured. That's the first time ever I've dropped any appliance off of my trailer onto my foot, and I got it on the camera. I don't know how much I got on camera, but I definitely did drop it while I was recording. So later on, if it swells again, I'll get a picture or video of it so y'all can see. Onwards. Hey. Well, they took it pretty much apart. Thank you. Heck yeah. What? So the foot is aching and throbbing. This is not the first time I've fractured my foot. Oh, that's gotta be brass. That is brass. There ain't gonna be no way to get that off. Allen key. I'll do that in a second. I'll see if I can get this last piece of aluminum to slide off. Usually that's the hardest due to it being the hinge that swings. It usually, if it doesn't come off immediately. Whoa. Did that just cut into me? It did. So even though that ain't glass, the piece of plastic just sliced me. Oh, come on. I'll set this down. Now they got the last one and see if I got an Allen key in the truck. I'll bring y'all back in a minute. Wow. Oh, you're light. You gotta aluminum. Truck sounds horrible. Man, I wish I had somewhere to store these. They sell onwards. Shouldn't have jumped down hard on my foot like that. I'm gonna try not to drop this one on my foot. So even if this is not broken, which I don't think it's broken, but definitely sprayed. I mean, you can even see the fact that it's way up here when it should be down there. So it's definitely still swollen. But this is probably the worst injury I've had scrapping. Kind of curious, what all injuries have y'all had? The worst ones y'all have had, not everyone, because that's a lot, but the worst one y'all have had scrapping. Mine would be, without a doubt, dropping a full-blown washer that has concrete weights in it on my foot. That is definitely the worst. I can't even imagine until this just happened that I would have ever went through that. So, but what I understand, and I may be wrong, but according to what I've heard from some of the trash guys, is they no longer take any appliances. So even on non-trash days, if they passed up on an appliance and another scrapper hasn't found it, it will sit there all week from now on, because they will no longer pick up anything. Washers, dryers, stoves, refrigerators, water heaters, none of that. They no longer pick them up. Onwards. Man, I am having the worst time trying to figure out what these schedules are. I mean, I'm finding stuff, but I think it's just stuff left over that no one else has seen or came across. So far, I've run into 5 other people just being outside. I've been able to ask and learn nights, but finding them is not working out that good. Onwards. Oh. I don't even know if the scrapyard takes Christmas trees. should probably ask. So hopefully, I got a call today from a grocery store, and they said they have 300 to 400 grocery carts, and asked if I could take them. I already talked to the scrapyards, all of them but one said they will with an ownership proof, so hopefully it goes through. Almost. Wow. Got some scrap. I got ourselves a bumper from a fender bender. What the heck is this? Oh, hey. Look at there. Got ourselves a battery. Do. You got shocks in here? We do. Alright, what do we got here? I don't even know. I'm gonna put that on right there for now. Oh, ouch. Come on. I'm pretty sure tonight is not. What is this? That's feeder, but I don't know what this is. I definitely. Wait, that can't be a feeder wire. Those look like tent pieces. Is that what that is? Yeah, I'm pretty sure that's what that is. Nice little metal rods. Well, sounds like metal. It is. Those in there. Oh. That's one way to keep someone from using it. Cut the cord off of it. Little fryer. Kind of want to get this one. Get the motor out of that sucker. That sucker's heavy. This one sticks to a magnet. So we get the cord, cut it off, see what the component is inside. It's aluminum. here. The rest of this looks like lids. Wow. That was a light. Doubt it still works, but if it's a twist off top, it is. I could use that for a GoPro stand. Alright. Oh yeah, it worked. And that one is aluminum. I don't know what this is, keychains or something. Put that right there. Whew. That one has nothing. Alright. That looks like it. Just take a quick look in these. And we're good to go. Alrighty. Onwards. Alright, onward. Hey, blue diamond. It's a nice skillet right there. Hope there ain't a car coming, because I'm blocking the whole area. I do have the snips. I could be cutting this stuff, but I'm just trying to get it into the trailer so I'm not in the way. What is that? There's definitely something still wrong with the truck, because you can feel it fluctuating, or hear it, not feel it. You can hear it fluctuating. Piano, no. What is that? grab those little mason jars. Oh yeah, you see those. Oh, be careful, knives. Trying not to cut myself. Doo-doo. All right, good to go. Onwards. Wow. You got so much vehicles out here. Let me see some motors over here. Nice motors. Oh yeah.
Couple cars.
All right.
Charlotte and Kenny in Ashland, Kentucky.
Wonder if I should wait till I get home because it says in family. Yeah, that's what I'll do. Thank y'all. Oh. Everything. We gonna load off the 10, one piece at a time.
Yeah.
Let me move this out of the way. No, this is like 6 months, 7 months old.
You buy it?
Oh no, I bought it. Like $300. I don't know, the UPS ones seem to be a lot heavier for some reason. Well, it's...
What do you want to do? You have on the back and the back.
I mean, we could grab out of here real quick. None of this is heavy.
Yes.
I prepped this fucking long metal on. You welded?
A metal on Andy?
Yeah or no?
You doing clean right now, right? You doing clean?
Yeah. Getting shit and
Yep. Or you keep it or clean it?
No, it could go.
If you clean it, it would go for a streamer.
What's sticking on it?
You gotta take all this off because he has to melt it off.
What?
What's sticking?
Those ain't
2, 3,
sticking.
4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 12. We can do light ironing.
No, it's clean, right?
Oh, yeah, clean. Yeah,
No, I already said it's gonna be clean. I ain't taking that stuff off. Those are clean, right?
What? Yeah, that can go.
I don't see nothing.
Save that.
Yeah, I've moved a lot of it out of the other truck. Come on.
The light now?
Yeah. Hold on, let me get the cap off of this. Hold on, I got one more piece. All right, now we can go to light. Ready? No. I can see all the fiberglass in my arm. Why did I do that? Ah, you can see it glisten. Bro, I keep forgetting this is all fiberglass.
What is it?
That.
Take it off.
I'm going to. I just put my arm on it again.
And now it itches.
What are these?
That would go like a clean radiator.
That.
Snippers?
I don't have nothing on this truck. Someone took all my snips. Yeah, the bike could go. Come on. Ugh. You still on light? So now we're on heavy. Because those goes as heavy, right?
Yeah.
Give me a second, I got a couple more. This is heavy, right?
I wasn't even looking at that. Oh, the application, dude.
Yeah.
You going out tonight? In the cold?
I mean, probably. You want to go back to light?
We can.
Or do these extrusion?
Sure.
I wonder if I dropped some, because I had some white ones. Oh, there they are. I was like, I had white poles and they just disappeared. The pipes are this. Ready? It's miss. Did you get a AC compressor? Okay. Come on. Here's half a battery for you. Two of them have broken legs. What are you paying, 25 bucks?
20.
They're only giving $5.
You have to bring the title in.
Oh, come on.
That's a state law. And you don't get paid today. It's 10 business days, so it'd be 2 Thursdays from now. That's the state of Florida.
It's horse bananas.
To prevent theft.
Onward.